Hey guys, it's Wagner here. I was out sick yesterday, still have a cold. Feeling a little bit better today. This is your agenda for the week. This is not your agenda for the week. Oh, okay, because I didn't change the dates. That's okay. I'll change the dates. You're going to justify your choices for making an auto purchase. So the first thing that you're going to do today is if I go back to your agenda, is you're going to watch the weekly video, which is this video right now, and you're going to read the document. So I was actually trying to call these things up, but they're not coming up. Okay. So I'm going to have to pause this video. So let's look at the agenda. It's not going to be exactly like this because of the fact that I was out yesterday, but today you're basically going to research the true cost of car ownership. And then the next couple days, you're going to look at buying locally and buying online. Probably got to sneeze. Sorry about that. And then after that, you're going to kind of look at a car loan and decide what the best deal is for that person. And then you're going to decide what the best deal is for you. So it's looking at car ownership, but trying to go back to that domain and not domain and range. Go back to that median and mean and try to use that data to help us. So basically, we're trying to do real life things, like last week was salary. This week is an auto loan. We're trying to take real life situations and try to put a little math in there so that we can see how math can help us in real life. So let me just see. It's not working, so I'm going to stop this video. Okay, so I did get this one to come up. I don't know, something's happened. I hope there's not a problem with Google Docs again today. I know you guys had a problem yesterday. All right. It's not letting me really control a lot of what I'm doing here, but let me start here. So I do want you to know what the 3 mistakes are for buying car. Okay, so I don't know what that is. I'm going to try to get rid of that. So then we think, how do we calculate the true cost to own? And that I got right from this Edmunds. So the true cost to own a car has to do with different things. The total cash price, and then they explain what that is. Depreciation is when your value of your car goes down. Is after you buy it, they say as soon as you drive it out, it declines in its cost of value. The insurance might be different based on the car that you have. If you get a sports car, it's going to be a lot greater. The financing, the expense on your loan, we're assuming you're going to put 10% down. Financing may change. The taxes and fees may change. The fuel that you spend. I know that I have a friend who has a Land Rover, and man, the cost of repairs and maintenance is so high, and it uses a lot of fuel, and it looks really cool, but because it's from another country, the cost of maintenance and repairs for a Land Rover is really expensive. So these are some things that we may not think about when we're buying a car, so I'm trying to give you as much information as possible. And I'm going to have to pause this again. Okay, so apparently I can't have 2 documents up at once for some reason. So finding the true cost of your car. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick that car from when you first went into cars, and you picked it in your used car search. I'm going to go all the way down here. Will it let me? I don't know. So this right here, and it's probably not going to let me go up. There was a spreadsheet in which you filled out the car that you wanted to look at. So if you want to change the car on that spreadsheet today, that's fine, but I don't want any repeats, okay? So if you want to change the car, your car choice on this spreadsheet, you can, but you know, you can't repeat it, Okay, so if someone else has, no one else is going to have the Honda Odyssey, which is a minivan. That's why I picked it. So, but you can't both have the same car. Change your choice if you want, but make sure you're not repeating. I did a whole video on this and showed you what I did to fill it out. So the video is in two places. It's here and it's also on the assignment. So if you're not sure how to do it, watch my video and I'll take you through it. I do want you to think about the mean cost of the maintenance for your car. And what does mean cost mean? That means just adding everything together. And if you watch the video, I talk about that. Median cost means you're going to have to put it in order. So you're going to have to put the depreciation values in order and then pick the middle one. Now, whatever you pick, I will be looking up. So when you do a screenshot of it, I can see that you got real data, but I will be looking at and making sure that that's what it was. So you're looking at a new car in that car model, and you're looking at one that's at least 2 years old. Again, there's a video on that. So let me just go back to the agenda for the week. So that's today, even though it looks like it's Monday, it's today. You're going to look at an example of someone trying to get a car loan, and you're going to tell what the best deal is, and you're going to put that out on Flipgrid. And then I'll probably consolidate these. I was going to have you shop online and then have you shop locally, so I'll have to make it into one assignment. And then at the end of the week, you're going to do a Flipgrid telling me on what car you've decided, but we're going to have to use data, so you're going to have to go back and look at data for that. So if you need me, come into Zoom or email me. Remember, you get extra credit points by emailing me and reaching out to me, so try to do that. Have a great day.